Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram application. Now here on the bottom right, click on this profile icon. Tap on this icon on the right top. Select Account Center. Here you'll be able to see the option of password and security. Select it. So here you can see the option of change password. Click on it. Click on this account. So here you'll be able to see the option of changing your current password and resetting a new one. So enter your old password and keep a new one, and now tap on change password. So now it's done. You have reset your password to new one. So this is the quick and easy way to change your password in Instagram. Thank you for watching.